Kasi pagod na kami sa set. And yun nga, makakabasa kami ng mga kind words sa internet. And yung mga suporta nga na binibigay nila sa pagpunta sa set namin is, tama, sa Direk May, it's very overwhelming. And we're very privileged, we're very lucky to have them. So maraming salamat.
Yung syempre yun din ako, very happy, extremely thankful sa support na binibigay nila sa amin. As in, wagas na wagas, lagpas pa hanggang heaven yung pasasalamat namin sa kanila. Kasi parang grabe, di ba? Parang maglabas sila ng ganong money, magtiis sila magpuyat sa set namin. Minsan lang namin sila napapansin kasi kailangan din namin maggawin yung sequence, yung eksena, yung mag-aantay lang sila. And all they want is picture, kwentuhan ng konti. Yun lang. So parang kawawa naman sila. Parang, pero sobrang namin na-appreciate. Even the pinakamaliit na bagay hanggang sa malaki.
At nagdala pa ng pare. Yes, meron pa pong pare. Healing priest. Para po sa amin.
Oo,
Lahat po
sobrang
ng
kami
food,
happy.
pare, nadala po nila. So maraming salamat.
Last question for Kim. Kim, saan mo daw nakukuha yung energy mo from sa lahat-lahat ng engagement mo? Taas daw.
Taas ba? Babaan ko ba? Ako, hindi ko alam. Gusto ko lang nakakita ng mga taong napapatawa ko, nakikita ko yung buong ngipin. Masaya na ako. Ganyan, o. Ayan, o. Di ba? Parang nakaka-happy, nakakasarap ng feeling na nakakapagpasaya ka ng tao. As an entertainer or performer, mahalagang bagay yun na makita mo silang nakangiti sa harap mo. Kasi syempre, sasayaw-sayaw ka, magsalita ka rito. Kasi iba, nag-iikam na, yung gano'n. Parang kawawa naman. Siya. Yun, gusto ko masaya, gusto ko happy.
Yes, thank you. Next question. Down to our last 3 questions.
I'm John from bumagao.com. Ms. May, can I ask you first, did you have a hand also on changing some of the scenes on the movie? Or was the project already laid out and you just had to execute it?
Syempre when it was presented to me, it was conceptual pa lang. Wala pa yung like the specifics, the scenes, etc. and the characters na binild. That's why when I came in, there was still a lot of work to be done. And they needed my treatment and yung vision. It's a collaboration. So it's not like they gave me a script and then execute it na lang. Ako, I still collaborated with the creative team and with my actors because syempre after we have discussed it nung creative team, pagdala ko sa actors ko, I also get their inputs on it. Parang, how do you feel about the character and then how can we enhance it? So really, this was team effort ito. Parang lahat nag-contribute in creating the characters, the scenes, and the story.
Alright, thank you. Sian, you basically have portrayed someone like me. I'm a fat guy. Pero if you were like in a place or in a position that you were actually fat, and you would have to love someone that didn't love you back, would you go through it?
Diet mga ganyan.
Nung middle school ako, kung titignan mo si Bobs, yung nung high school niya, meron akong mga ganong pictures. Back in nung middle school, grade 7, yun siguro yung pinakamataba ko. It got to the point na sabi nga ng doctor sa akin, you're unhealthy and you're overweight. And in-explain na nila sa akin yung mga mangyayari, parang and they explain kung ano yung mga sickness na makukuha ko in the future kung hindi ako maglo-lose ng weight. But, and syempre nung middle school, meron akong mga crushes, meron din akong gusto mga ligawan sa school. But, hindi nila ako, I was the invisible guy. I was the invisible guy in middle school. Pero I wouldn't, if the person didn't love me back, it's so hard na itutuloy ko pa rin. Kasi parang masasaktan ka lang at masasaktan. Parang you're living in a dream. Diba? Oo, masakit yun. Siyempre,